Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a Instant Pot creamy mushroom pasta. What we'll need for this recipe are some mushrooms sliced. You can use cremini, button, big king mushroom, shimiji mushroom, or shiitake mushroom. So whatever mushroom you have on hand. We're going to need a little bit of cauliflower. If you don't have cauliflower, you can also use broccoli. Some garlic and shallot. If you don't have shallot, you can use red onion. Mustard, I'm going to use some grainy mustard, but you can also use smooth Dijon mustard. Some olive oil, a little bit of broth. You can use vegetable broth, chicken broth, or even fish broth if you really want. Some pasta, I'll be using some gluten-free penne today. You can use rotini or farfalle or even macaroni. And then last but not least, we're going to use a little bit of sour cream to make everything meld together. So the first thing we're going to do is let's chop up our vegetables. So let's prepare the shallots. For the shallot, I'm just gonna cut the ends off first, or one of the ends, I should say. The other one I wanna keep intact because it helps hold together, but I'm gonna slice it right in half. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and peel off that first layer of the shallot. So let's go ahead and press saute and start. So this way it has time to preheat while we finish chopping up the vegetables because we want to make this recipe like this. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna go ahead and finely mince our shallots. Just toss that to the side. And then now we can mince up some garlic. Alright, so just put that all to the side. Next, let's prepare our cauliflower. Voila! And then we have our sliced mushrooms all ready to go. If you bought whole ones, go ahead and slice it now. So next, in our Instant Pot, we're gonna go ahead and add in some extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and add in all your vegetables. Now before you stir it, give it a liberal sprinkle of salt to really help draw all the moisture from the mushrooms and the shallots. And then go ahead, give this a stir. We're just gonna wait till the mushroom is about half the size. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the grainy mustard. A big dollop. Give that a toss. Our the broth. Just toss it one more time. Here, we're gonna cancel, and we're gonna put our pressure cook on high. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at your package directions, divide the cooking time in half, -1. So in this case, it'll be 4 minutes, pressure on high, start, and once the timer sets off, we're gonna manually release it. Okay, so now we gotta cancel it, and we're gonna do quick release. Be careful, you guys. And just let it release. So good. I'm gonna stir in a big generous portion of sour cream. And there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, you have delicious Instant Pot creamy mushroom pasta. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And until next time, relish